Hey guys, welcome to our Hits World. Today we are reviewing and unboxing MI 12T Pro. So the best feature of this phone. So third, it's a heavy box because it has 120-watt charger. Satisfaction.
Wow.
A transparent cover, the instruction manuals. The phone is in blue color. Here is the charger for 120 watt. This is heavier than the phone.
Yeah, that's why the box was very heavy.
Yeah, and USB Type-C cable.
Type-C cable.
So it has 200 megapixels ultimate camera, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 20% faster than Snapdragon 888, 120 watt and 120 Hz crystal-less AMOLED. It's a bit thick, as expected.
Yeah.
So let's power this on. I hope it has charge. MIUI 13.
So it is MIUI 13.
MIUI 13.
We need to do the setting actually. So let's do the setting one by one.
We connect it. It will take a few
So
minutes.
one thing I just want to remind all of you that this is not at all a paid review. We have purchased it for our use, and by doing this we are just giving a 101% honest review so that you people can understand and decide whether it's really worth to buy or not.
Yeah.
As usual, this is in-display fingerprint. So you can see Arvind is just registering his finger.
Done.
But it's done.
It's very less
as
time.
well. Yeah. So for this customization of your phone, you may need to take some time. So as you see, this MIUI 13 getting ready. So let's wait for a few minutes so that we can see the home screen of the phone. So this is MI. So we'll update it later. So you can see very smooth, and its weight of the phone is also very light.
Yeah,
so,
it's. I was thinking that it will be very much.
Yeah, the weight of that box was very much because of
charger.
the 128 charger. Except that phone is very much lightweight, and it's very much affordable, and it's very good or very good size to have in your pocket. I believe it should have 120
hertz, I know, but
yeah,
it's default. That's set to custom.
So when you are keeping 120 hertz of display rate, it may drain little bit of more batteries. So based on your experience or your understanding or your thinking, you can set you
It's
can put
so
it 60, 120, anything.
So we are gonna check that.
Let's show us what are the other buttons are available with the phone.
Yeah.
And what are the cameras.
So we bought a 256 GB version at 12 GB, I believe.
Yes.
You can also get 8 GB, 128, 8 GB, 256, 12.
So all the variant is available. You can you just click the
and
link.
you have many colors also.
So if you want to purchase this phone, the link is given in the description. You just need to go to the description, click the link, and based on your requirement, whether it is 128 or 256, 8 GB or 12 GB, you just select it and buy it. I believe you will be happy with that phone as well. You can see the frequency is 3.2 GHz. We believe it will be very smooth. Battery will be drained very less. So I think we will have a good experience with that phone. But before saying this, we need to check all the features, how the camera quality is, how its performance, whether it is smooth or it's lagging, and we also need to test a game as well to understand whether everything is fine or not. Yeah. So before that, just go backside and see what are the, this is 12. I think Arvind is want to show us what Android 12.
Android 12.
Yeah. And what are the buttons available with the phones? Let's.
So on the right side, there is power button.
Yes, as usual.
Volume rockers. And on the bottom there is speakers.
Yes.
USB Type-C.
Yeah.
And SIM card.
Yes. And also I think that's microphone as well, the small one.
Yeah, I think this is
noise cancellation microphone.
I think this is noise cancellation. And another speaker.
Okay.
Oh, just a camera.
Okay.
I'll tell you the details in the video screen that is showing right up.
Okay. How you feel, Arvind? It's really good. It
looks so good. The camera design is also very good. But there is one drawback. If you put your foot like this.
Oh, your camera will get scratched. Yeah. Yes. So that's the thing. So you need to have, that's why they have added this.
So one of the great drawbacks are, though it is such an expensive phone, it only has 10x zoom. Like Realme GT2 had 20x zoom, This only has 10x zoom, but the 10x zoom quality is amazing. Like,
Awesome.
yeah, no noise. Like, it's so awesome.
So
Please check the camera
let's see
and
the
the
camera's quality and
with the
how.
right mode and everything. So bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the post notification bell on so you get the notification whenever we upload a video like this. So bye guys.